I took it apart, flipped it back and forth, and dicked around with the switch. I couldn't really break the housing open. It looks like it's riveted together. You can look at the picture for an example of that. Put it all back together, plug this plug back in. The gray and the black wires, those are the ones that actuate this. I know that because I tested continuity to the green and green with red stripe over at the side, but I can shut it off and on now after prying at it a little bit to see if I can get the switch out. Oops, now I screwed it up, but you can see it's off. I'm going to reach up, hit the button, and now it's back on. So I definitely did something to improve this. I think it was just by jiggling it around and prying around in there. I bet it won't work for long. But see, I can turn it off right here with the screwdriver. The switch is definitely in here. It's part of this yellow metal piece off way on the corner. But as far as getting it apart, I think you'd have to mess up the rivets and then try to figure out a way to epoxy it back together. Something like that.